good day. I'm here to bring you an update on Chainlink. I see a lot of interesting things going on. In this video, I want to talk about what I see happening both short-term and long-term. So please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit the bell icon to be notified of new uploads. We will be breaking down your favorite cryptos all throughout this bull run. Let's delve into this. So many interesting things to talk about. I hardly even know where to begin. So we were in this descending triangle with Chainlink. Assuming the conservative scenario, we may be topped out with this pump, at least for the moment. Assuming this is kind of the breakout point, and this being the height of the triangle. Now, if we assume more of an optimistic scenario, and this the triangle really bottomed out at $7.40. Assume this is the breakout point. We can go, around 20. We could see $27 soon. Now, a few concerning things I'm starting to know. Looking at the 6 hour here on Chainlink, we have had a I was pointing at the other side. We have had a bearish crossover on the MACD. Guys, the 6 hour is a larger time frame. The fact that we had a bearish crossover in the MACD is a big deal. Not only that, the RSI is beginning to make lower highs, lower lows, stochastic on the way down, market side for momentum waves on the way down. So, and guys, this makes sense. After a breakout, it makes sense that we want to fall back down and retest some levels below us. So I do think that we have a good chance of correcting further here in the next few hours and days. Let's take a look here at the 6 hour. So, yeah, as well, guys, look at the 4 hour. Two bearish crossovers. Yeah, it's looking bad. It's no bueno. Very bad news bears. Now, something to note here, the stochastic. The stochastic really seems like it wants to have that leg up, especially if we look here at the hourly and at the hourly on price action. Look at this. Look at the stochastic, the RSI. Everything wants to go up on the hourly. So what I think is going to happen, what I think is most likely, is that we kind of go something like this. Maybe make a higher high, maybe not. Maybe make a lower high and fall back down and kind of retest some of the lower levels. I personally think that's kind of like the most likely scenario, in my opinion. Chainlink below $20. It's kind of accumulation level for me, to be honest. Our fib retracement level is right around $20, as well as one of our previous peaks is right around $20 right here. So if we fall around $20, like I said, a Chainlink below $20 is kind of accumulation zone for me. Even better though, if we can get to around $18 with a 3-2 Fibonacci retracement level, if we hit $18, which I think is a possibility, given that we've had like these bearish crossovers on these larger time frames, I think something like $18 is definitely possible in the near future. Now, a few things we need to keep in mind to understand what Chainlink is going to do is the Bitcoin dominance chart. Whenever Bitcoin dominance rises, alts typically suffer. Whenever Bitcoin dominance falls, alts typically benefit. And so Bitcoin dominance has recently fallen below critical support for it. And so we're kind of consolidating right now, kind of sideways at the 67, 66 in terms of Bitcoin dominance. If this decides to go for another leg down or a leg up, that's definitely going to have an effect on the altcoins such as Chainlink as well. The dollar index, guys, the dollar, this is having an effect on crypto and all other currencies. The dollar has an effect on currencies, including crypto, and it's currently rallying right now. It's flipping these EMAs into support, and it keeps breaking past resistance. So I don't think anything fundamentally has changed to make the dollar stronger. If anything, this could be a reaction to either people in the stock market getting nervous, or perhaps the new changing administration, hopefully bringing more stability. By the way, if you're an American and planning to raid a capital, please don't. We don't want to spook the markets. We're all trying to make money here. So, guys, but I do think it is still the case that nothing has fundamentally changed. The Americans have been printing trillions of dollars. They're very likely to continue printing trillions of dollars, which is going to further devalue their currency. So in my opinion, this is a temporary rally in the dollar, although this is not nothing. This is definitely something of interest to note. We could continue to break out further if we continue to flip these EMAs from resistance to support. So this will definitely have an effect. It will be a factor that has an effect on crypto. So we need to keep an eye out for the DXY. Whenever it decides to get that rejection and go for that leg down and start to go down, possibly make a lower low, that is when I think we'll see crypto really start to take off as well. Bitcoin in a very interesting place, same as Ethereum. Guys, Ethereum leads the altcoins, and it's constantly trying to break down and having these fake outs. There's a few different ascending triangles we could form here, but bottom line, Ethereum's gonna have to pick a direction very soon here, very soon, like within the next half day, I'd say, day or so. Within the next day, it's really gonna have to pick a direction. And again, it loves to break down and have these fake outs. Ascending triangle here, broke down, it was a fake out, we pumped. Ascending triangle here, broke down, fake out, we pumped. Ascending triangle here, broke down. Will it be a fake out? We don't know. We have to see. But it can't just keep forming these ascending triangles for infinity. Eventually, it's going to have to really choose a direction, whether down or up. Whatever we break out, we're likely to trend in that direction, and it's likely to have an effect on the altcoins such as Chainlink. So, kind of summarize my thoughts of Chainlink. We need to keep an eye out on these other factors that I've mentioned: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin dominance, the dollar index, to understand what crypto and what the altcoins are going to do. On the larger time frames, we're seeing a bearish crossover in the MACD. We're quite overextended. Having a pullback seems to make sense. On the lower time frames, Chainlink does seem to want to have that bit of a leg up. So keep an eye out for that. I do think we're gonna have maybe like a little leg up and then correct here. We're kind of overextended. We need to keep our eye out for the greater market. And I also want to see, okay, so last time we pumped and fell down, we found support on the daily 100 EMA. So I think this is kind of like worst case scenario. We're very likely to find support here again, daily 100 EMA, which would be like around the $14 region. Now, I don't think that we're going to go that far, although it is a possibility. The market is crazy bullish. And I'll just wrap up by saying the fact that Chainlink has broken above its all-time highs is extremely, extremely telling. Chainlink led the market back in August. So the fact that it's broken above all-time highs now, I believe, could be telling for things to come in the near future. Guys, do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. We will be breaking down your favorite cryptos all throughout this bull run. I'll wrap it up there. Take care.